mulika. Lakini hiyo ni lugha ngumu kwa Jomo kuelewa, kwa hivyo tuacha vile nitasema ya kwamba
okay, I'll pause this. Yes, you will proceed because we also have the chair of the Finance and National Planning Committee of the National Assembly, Kuria Kimani, with us in the studio, and also David Ocheng. I'll come back to you. But Sam Gituku is standing by the magic wall that is populated with data of how these things practically look like. Sam, what do you have for us?
All right. You had the contribution from the CS for MITI, that is Moses Kuria. He's comparing Kenya to Singapore. Let us just contextualize what this means. Singapore, for instance, the geographical size is 710 square kilometers. Kenya is 582,000 square kilometers. So if you have to compare the size, Singapore is close to the city of Nairobi, Nairobi City County. In terms of population, this is how they compare. In Singapore, there are 5.4 million people, according to the numbers in 2022. Nairobi, based on the current estimates from the Economic Survey 2023, it talks about 4.7 million people by day, the population of Nairobi. Kenya, 51 million is the estimate, according to the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics. So you see that difference in terms of the geographical size and the population. But back to here with our experts.